A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the last day of the self care month. I'm so happy to see the entire response from all of you. I started this activity because predominantly for all the fundamental diseases that we are discussing, which is that could be infertility, PCOD, irregular menstruation, thyroid, negative mindset, bloating, constipation, endometriosis, and anything that is related to uterus, and most importantly related to that feministic energy. I, research after research, I only felt that it because of the lack of self care. All it happened because there was a few people lost that self-care once when they started going to office. Maybe because they were not able to manage time properly, and when we were in college, when we were in school, always, not even a single day we were left with without food at the proper time. Always that three time food, snacks time, tea time, coffee time, milk time, all the nutrition was given when we are children. And many children, many ladies lost it when they started being in hostels also, when they traveled a lot. Like many of my masterclass students were telling me in the consultation call that they were traveling 4 hours every single day. Like absolutely the body will become drained because there was no availability of proper schools and colleges in that particular area. So likewise there are so many different scenarios. Now all this happened, like many lost in their school days, many lost when they were shifting to colleges, shifting to offices, especially like from Madurai they shifted to Chennai, and from Chennai they shifted to Bangalore, from Bangalore to United States. So all that created so much of climatic changes, so much of geographic changes inside them, cultural changes. Food was not available, and they started preparing food and managing career and this nutrition. Absolutely, nutrition was always taken back, and we were not given the right thing at the right time. So, and especially after marriage, the responsibilities become too very high, especially for women. The property or the quality of becoming or acting more likable to everybody in the family, uh, slowly or on a faster pace, it gets inside her life. Mostly it will not be for men, or even if it is for men, it will be on a smaller percentage. But for women, the quality of behaving more likable to the new family is very high when compared to men. So because of this, completely 99% of the women loses their self-care. They cannot dress well properly, they are overloaded with work activities, and ultimately what has happened is they lost their self-recognition, self-care, because many people who are earning 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs per month after marriage, after 6 to 9 months of their marriage, landed up in hypothyroidism. And many of them, they were not able to dress up properly, and of course they lost all the feministic energy in them. Ultimately, when it came to pregnancy, it was not happening smoothly. So this was the constant thing that I was hearing it for almost 2 years now. So ultimately, when fundamental thing when I pointed out, it was related to self-care. So always I wanted to tell you that self-care is not a selfish activity. It is, you have to recognize yourself, you have to self-reward yourself constantly, you have to self-appreciate yourself, because you deserve the best. And if you are not given the right thing at the right time of your life, then you cannot do it for your loved ones. So if you wanted to give the best to your husband, best to your spouse, best to your children, wanted to become a beautiful good mother, and wanted to take care of your family, then you need to take care of yourself. So that was the agenda for this entire month, and I'm so happy, so thankful for all of you who have successfully participated in the entire self-care month. And so the last activity for today is, I wanted you to go and buy a personal gift for you. It could be a gift for 50 rupees, it could be a gift for 5,000. We have done the best on this on this month. So go and buy a beautiful gift for yourself. Okay, do not wait for the other person to do it. If it is if you're telling it to your spouse and he's able to do it, I'm so happy for it. But personally, take 500 or 1000 or 2000 or 5000 rupees and buy a personal gift for yourself. Go to Amazon, go to Home Center. Apps are there, and so many websites are there. Or go to shopping, but allocate a small amount of money and self appreciate yourself every month. Particularly this month is very very important for you because you have done it and you deserve it. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. I'll be meeting you with yet another interesting activities and videos on the forthcoming days. Bye bye, take care.